Welcome to Quick Guide. In today's video, I am going to show you how can you start streak into your Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Snapchat. Firstly, you need to open your Snapchat, and after opening the Snapchat, just simply click any of the snap that you want. Step 2. Customize the snap. Now after clicking the snap, just simply write down streak into the snap that you just clicked. And after writing the streak, just click to send button down here. Step 3. Select the person that you want to start streak with. Now just simply select the person that you want to start streak with and send this snap to the person. Then after this, the person will receive your streak, and if he send you a snap back, you constantly share these snaps, and you constantly share snaps for 3 days from both sides, your streak will successfully be started and grows every day. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.